What's up? Out here with Jack today. I'm trying to do some fishing. A little windy today. Just gonna see if we could get some fish, possibly.
Oh, I'm on. Go on.
Reel him in.
Go on. Go on.
Reel him in.
Go.
Oh, I got a snag. That's a big one. Hold on. It's a giant. Oh my god.
What do I do?
I got him. Stop. Wait. Jeez, that's a giant. That's a good one.
Can I put my thumb in his mouth?
There you go.
How do I do it? How do I do it?
Hold him real quick. I have a snag. I need to get it out. Here, I'm gonna get a picture for you.
Joe. What is it?
It's a bass. Smallie.
Go.
You didn't got him this time. Good job.
Yes, Joe, I'm learning.
Shoot. He's gonna get the hook in my leg.
He's going to roll to my leg.
No! It's okay. I have it on.
Like, I'm nerfed. They nerfed me, Joe.
Got him.
Actually?
Good one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, hot stuff. Hot damn. Hot damn. Oh, yeah. Money in the bag. Money in the bag.
Huge head shakes. Yes, that's a giant. Oh my god. Big one. That's a giant.
Living money. Swimming in money.
I need to bring this one back for a weight. This is a big one.
Oh, yeah. Hot damn.
Alrighty, guys. Huge chunker. Oh my goodness. This might be bigger than 2 pounds. With 112. Still pretty good. Geez, a fat one. Come on, GoPro. Pretty good fish. Let her go. Let her go. Okay. That works. Oh, you're. Oh, shoot! Hey, honey, go that way. Go that way. There you go. Get him!
Yo!
Reel him in, bro. You're gonna get him. Reel him. I won't know until you get him in.
No, he's not. Yes, Daddy! Oh my god. Yes! Oh my god, stop moving. Tell him to be quiet. Hurry.
Alright, you're good.
Good?
I see him.
Yo, he's so slimy, bro. I love this. His name is Senko. Thank you, Mommy.
It's not ready.
Oh.
Let me see it.
Wait, I just need to go like this, right?
Oh, yeah.
No. Wait, this does something wrong.
Got him. Good one. Oh, never mind.
Oh! Oh, it's a favorite. It's just a favorite. What if that's the one I got?
It's not. It's a little smaller.
Yeah, look, the second one.
You had a small mouth. This is a large mouth.
Oh, yeah, so tough. Oh, I'm on. Holy shit.
Oh, it's a giant. Oh my god. It's a giant. You have to walk back to me. I can't get over there. It's too deep.
Joe.
Jack, that's a giant.
Joe. Please, Mommy, please. Mommy.
It's giant. Bring here.
Mommy.
That's giant. That's okay.
Mommy.
It's not that big. That's a good one though.
Oh my, yo. It's average.
Reel. Come on. Reel.
Shit. Fuck.
Oh shit. Please don't yell in my ear.
Joe,
Okay.
Mommy.
Bro, I can't get that. You need to get it over here.
Joe, Mommy.
Good hook set. Got him.
Got him, ladies. Ladies and gents.
Jeez, and one of them. Another average size.
Wait, why'd you hook up? Unhook.
Huh? Oh shit. Here, do you want? I'll just hold it up next to you, and then I'll get a picture, and I'll throw him in. Because I got a good grip on him.
Yeah, because I'm gonna drop him. Oh! Oh my God!
Still.
Yo, while we fish, we should break games. Alright, number 1, Minecraft.
Got him.
Number 2.
It's another good one, Jack.
Oh! Baby! Oh, it's a little boy. It's a little dog. It's a little dog. You caught a big John earlier.
Yeah, I got a nice one.
Alright, this cast it was on board.
Yes, sir, guys. Not a bad day out. For how long we're gonna stay out here. Just a little dinker. See you later, dude. Backflip. Oh shoot. I keep it open. Got him. Oh my God! It's a giant pumpkin seed.
Yo.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Yo, we need to get a weight on this right now. Oh my God! I need a weight on this guy because he's so big. Oh my God! It's an 11-ounce sunfish. Is this not the biggest pumpkin seed in the entire world? I can't get over how big this thing is. This is a Jack. Say this thing's a freaking pancake, dude. See you later. Yo. Yo. Alright guys, it's gonna be it for today's video. We're done fishing for today. It's a little windy and it's getting cold and I got school tomorrow, so I gotta get home.
Yep,
But
today was a successful day. We got some pretty big bass. Yeah, I got some bass though.
Alright, anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.